guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making chocolate chip banana ice cream, dairy free. So you have to subscribe and ring those post notifications and give this video a huge thumbs up if you like this. And also, before we start making the ice cream of chocolate chip bananas, we have to grab our hair into a ponytail, because if you don't, it might go into your ice cream or food, and we do not want that to happen. So first we are gonna grab my hair up. Doesn't need to be perfect, but it's fine, this will do. And before we start, you'll be needing 3 bananas, and I'm gonna take it out and peeling them all. Oh, I need to show you guys, but before we do, I'm gonna peel them all off, then I'll show you guys really quickly, and then we'll show you in a minute. I'm just taking off the banana peels, and then I'll show you. Now I'm gonna start showing you guys, but first let me flip the camera. Here they are in the plate. You can use a cutter if you want, but I am not. And so what I'm gonna start doing is grab my knife and start cutting these. But first I need to flip the camera. You can tell it's cut just a little bit because I cut the brown stuff. It's a really brown like this. I still need to cut a little bit more, but don't worry, I'll take that off. But what you do is you just cut. Doesn't really matter if it's thick or not thick, the bananas. Because you know why? Because you do not need to worry about that, because we are going to blend that after. Okay, so here it is. And then now we're gonna put this aside for a moment, and then we're gonna move it over here. Actually, grab all your bananas, put it into a bowl. Like mine is behind the camera, and I'll show you it after I cut all my bananas. So we'll be back once I cut them all. Now I am done cutting all the bananas. So now you are gonna have them all like this. And also, you will have to do this if it's for 2 persons. I'm making this ice cream for just 2 persons, and you can make it for more person. Now here they are. So now I'm gonna put them in the freezer until it's frozen. So we'll be back once that is frozen. Okay guys, so here are my bananas freeze. So now we are going to be putting them in the blender. So let me switch the camera real quick and show you guys how we are gonna be doing it. So let me flip the camera. Now it's all ready, so now we're gonna grab it. Here we go. Open the lid. There we go. And now let me just fix the camera again. Okay, so here it is. So now what you want to get is your chocolate chips and some. Okay. Now we're gonna leave some over here. Now you don't want to mix it, but you want to like kind of mix it, but it's not like mixing it. Like, don't mix it like in the mixer to not get squished. You just have to mix it, and then I'm adding a little bit by little bit. I don't know about you, but I do. And you can add it all in, but I'm mixing it little bit by little bit, and that's how I want it. And so now here it is. So now what you want to do is get your pan where you're going to mix it, or a container that you want to put it in, and show you guys where I'm going to put it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put it right here. So now what you want to do is you're going to dump it in like that. And then I'll show you in a minute how it looks like. Do not worry about it. And then yeah, we're gonna keep taking that out. And then if you want, it's optional with you. You can like, here, let me move the camera again. You can make like a zigzag to like make it a bit better, to like make it smoother, when you put it in the fridge. And then it's optional. You can add more like chocolate chip cookies on top. I am like Emmy. And then I'm gonna let it sit for 3 hours, and then we'll be back once this is finished at freezing. Okay guys, so here's the ice cream of chocolate chip banana. And so now we're gonna try it. So now I'm gonna get a little piece, and then there you go, and try it. It's pretty good. I recommend this to you. And if you're gonna be doing for 6 people, for 6 persons, then I recommend you use double it. So, see you guys in my next video. Hope you like this chocolate chip ice cream banana. So, see you guys in my next video. Subscribe and please turn on those post notifications and give this video a huge thumbs up.